Today I want to talk about my favorite season. Bangladesh is geographically a season of six, and there are summer, rainy season, autumn, late autumn, spring and winter. Among them, I like spring season the most because spring comes after the cold of winter, and it brings life to the nature. In the spring season, you can feel life in everywhere. You can feel the grass, you can feel the bird humming, and you can also feel the new leaves growing to the trees. After the cruelty of winter, when winter takes off the life from nature, spring comes with the new hope of life, new hope of nature to us. According to me, spring is the season that you can feel also comfortable. It's not that hot, it's not that cold. You can feel the warmth of nature, life. In conclusion, I would like to say, well, spring tells us that whenever life is hard for you, you should have the hope that like spring, your life will also bring the hope to you.